So to perform a factory reset of your Fitbit Sense 2, simply go to settings, and you can do that by pressing the side button and then scroll down and find settings. Tap on settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to About Sense 2, right above the shutdown button. So tap on About Sense 2. Now from here, you can scroll down until you get to Factory Reset. Tap on that and then confirm by tapping on yes that you actually want to factory reset your Fitbit Sense 2. Keep in mind this will erase everything, all the user data on the watch, remove your Fitbit account and everything associated with you, and put the watch back to exactly the way it was when you took it out of the box for the first time. So it's a clean wipe of all the data on the watch. So just allow it to do its thing, and when it's done, you should see the option to choose a language, and that will tell you the factory data reset is complete.